This is the Vmware ESXI. You can see there are virtual machines I have created with Deepin, the Chinese OS, Chinese Linux. You can see already installed here. I arranged 16 gig RAM to it, so 100 gig for the storage, so it's big enough, it's fast enough, and quad-core CPU I arranged to it, so you can adjust whatever you want. So you can see now I am on a GUI. Just type the IP address so that you can access to the VMware. So I installed Windows, Linux, and also the pfsense firewall, also Linux-based firewall, software firewall. It's not the hardware firewall. So the router, they can do routing, so on, so great. And this is very interesting. You can have the network topology diagram structures and listed all the virtual machines you can create with the ISO files from the Deepin. I just use the ISO file to install the Deepin successfully. Now I'm running, and NeoFlash, you can check it, is the VMware GPU. CPU is the Intel virtual CPU, and also Deepin, Chinese Linux OS, and VMware virtual plant. So it's the host. So as you can see, I successfully installed it and running successfully. So shrink it first, so you can see Deepin OS, 16 gig RAM, and there are many other OS Windows. So this is the DELL server. So the VM installed, the ESXI installed on this server. It's very big enough. CPU and storage are not used up yet, and network, all those kind of things you can see, just like a real machines, and created so many virtual machines OS simultaneously running because it has enough power. It's very powerful because it's a big server. It's the DELL server. So you can see here is the pfsense, the firewall, software firewall. You can see it has gateways, and also the routing, the rules, zone policy, the policy, security policy, DNS, NAT, everything. It has more functions here than those kind of hardwares as well. So it's the soft routing. Soft router, you have route, you can add routes, interfaces, whatever you can, and you can telnet to the or SSH to the terminal to control it, to command it. But it's more like a Linux, not the Huawei or Cisco terminal. Okay, that's the Deepin OS running on the VMESXI. Thank you very much.